one.
This is the peach.
Okay. Here comes peach.
You don't like peach? It's sweet, honey. It shouldn't make you gag.
Give him a big old bite.
He does that with every food. Every single food.
It's a new taste. My little taste buds are.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
Peaches are hard. They're running.
Yeah. They're more like sherbet. Okay, let's get Alyssa to try it.
Alright, wait. You just had one.
You ready, Alyssa? Why are you looking at me, Hud?
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Alyssa's first peaches. What do you think? It's really sweet. Ooh, do you like? Ooh, I think she likes peaches. Alyssa, you like this? It's like dessert. You're not quite sure, huh?
It ain't like no dessert on
She's moving her tongue around a lot, huh?
He's like, help me.
He hates everything.
Oh my god.
Peach is in pain.